Hi, this is Bhairavisha and welcome to my channel once again. As you know, all the variety of things that I can work with. Today we are going to talk about second Lenormand card, Clover. As you know, this is a series of just mentioning down the basic things about these cards, that is Lenormand deck. Clover is the second card. It says about luck, the luck which is an opportunity, and it is a positive card, as you would already get it. However, this luck is a mini luck, which is not a very huge luck. It's a mini luck, or it is a particular limited time frame luck that you would be available for you, an opportunity. Or so if you want to grab it, you can grab it right away. So in some cases in the health readings, it can mean you need to have your minerals, that is spinach, or in Hindi we call it methi, green leafy vegetables it means. So sometimes it may mean that way. However, this is something which I have not really completely focused on whenever I have read it. I don't do health readings as of now, as per the date that you have got this video uploaded or published. And if it is surrounded by positive cards, it's a very good luck, especially with, okay, those combinations we'll talk about later, but as of now, it's very important to remember that Clover is luck, which is a mini luck. It doesn't mean a lottery of $10,000. It means possibility of anything around $90 or $100 or $120, which is a little luck. So it's a small luck. So you may want to write it down in your book. What does Clover signify? Another thing that Clover can mean is happiness. It's not more likely a happiness like any other card that I'm going to tell you about. There is a card which shows happiness, but it is something like a joy, very light-hearted joy, and it could also mean sometimes companionship. So this is something which is a very minimal time that can be used as companionship, but which is one of the possibilities. So you may want to write down your basic meanings of these cards. So whenever you are trying to read one or two card read, because we are just doing the basic work. So I'd like you to just have one word with it. So then you can play around with that. At least you would have a clarity of what is it that, when you see that, what does that mean? What is the possibility that can mean? So today we have done Clover. Meet you at the next card. Bye.